Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. For today's recipe, we're making these awesome lemon garlic butter scallop. They're so good and they literally melt in your mouth. Stay tuned to see how it's done and let's go. Alright guys, to get started, these are the ingredients, literally 5 ingredients, okay? Lemon, garlic, salt, pepper, and some Old Bay seasoning. Now, these are my scallops. Make sure they are nice and clean, okay? Make sure you clean them. And then we're going to start seasoning these scallops, okay? Now, I am going to start first with the salt. Make sure you add your salt all over. Then we're going to flip them over and add more salt. Next, we're going to add some freshly cracked pepper on there, okay, just to give it that peppery flavor. We're going to add that on there, and next I'll be adding my Old Bay seasoning. Not too much, just a little bit. I like to add Old Bay to whatever seafood I'm cooking. It just makes it, I don't know, the taste, it just makes it taste really good to me. I just didn't want to marinate these with just pepper and salt, okay? So I add a little bit of Old Bay on top of it just to give it some more flavor. Now in this cast iron, I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. Then I am going in with my minced garlic. Once that is started to nicely fragrance, we're going to add our scallop in there, okay? Now make sure your temperature is on medium high heat. You want some nice crust on the outside of it, so don't, make sure it's nice and hot, not too hot, but hot enough. And then we're going to place our scallop in there. We're going to cook them for about a minute to a minute and a half, or until it's nicely golden brown on one side, and then you can flip it over. All right. Now you can flip them over once they're nice and golden brown on one side. Flip it over just like so. And then what I am going to do now is take a whole lemon. Well, I'm using half a lemon juice. Just squeeze it in there so you can have that nice lemon flavor on there. It will definitely take the taste to a whole nother level. Just squeeze it in there just like that, all the juice, okay? And then what we're going to do is take a spoon and basically just butter all your scallop with the buttery sauce, okay? And basically that is it. It's quick, it's easy, it's a nice starter, especially for Valentine's Day. Hey ladies, are you cooking for your man? Try this out. Trust me, it tastes absolutely delicious. It tastes exactly like what you will get at a restaurant. Okay, so give this a try. Let me know if you like it. Leave me a comment down below. Like the video and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.